Most students don't struggle because they're lazy or incapable. They struggle because the way they study hasn't evolved, while the demands of college have. Students are expected to absorb more information across more subjects in less time, often while juggling work, internships, and personal responsibilities. The result is a familiar cycle: rereading notes, cramming before exams, forgetting most of it afterward. AI doesn't fix this by working harder. It fixes it by changing how students learn. In this video, we're breaking down practical AI study strategies that help students learn faster, retain more, and reduce burnout, without shortcuts and without crossing ethical lines. The first strategy is active recall with AI support, not passive review. Most students reread notes or watch lectures again, which feels productive but produces weak retention. AI tools now allow students to convert notes, readings, and lectures into practice questions automatically. Instead of reviewing information, students test themselves repeatedly. The AI adapts difficulty based on performance, focusing more on weak areas and less on what's already understood. This approach aligns with cognitive science research, showing that retrieval practice dramatically improves long-term memory compared to rereading. A second powerful strategy is spaced repetition guided by AI. Cramming works short-term and fails long-term. AI systems now track when you're likely to forget information and resurface key ideas just before memory fades. This transforms studying from emergency-based to continuous. Students who use AI-driven spaced repetition don't study more, they study earlier and more efficiently. By the time exams arrive, the material feels familiar instead of overwhelming. The third strategy is learning in context instead of isolation. Traditional study methods break subjects into disconnected pieces. AI study tools now link concepts across lectures, readings, and assignments automatically. When students review one idea, they see how it connects to previous topics, real-world examples, and likely exam questions. This builds conceptual understanding rather than memorization. Exams test relationships between ideas, not isolated facts, which is why this strategy improves performance so consistently. Another effective approach is AI-assisted simplification without dilution. Many students struggle not because material is too complex, but because it's explained poorly. AI can re-explain concepts using different language, analogies, or levels of complexity until understanding clicks. Importantly, this is not about making content easier, it's about making it clearer. Students retain more when they understand the why behind concepts, not just the definition. The fifth strategy focuses on targeted weakness correction. Most students waste time reviewing material they already know because they don't know what they don't know. AI study systems analyze performance patterns and identify specific gaps. Instead of studying everything equally, students focus on high-impact weaknesses. This reduces study time while improving outcomes. It also builds confidence, because progress becomes visible and measurable. A sixth strategy is simulation-based learning. AI can now simulate exam conditions, problem-solving scenarios, and applied questions that mirror real assessments. Instead of memorizing content, students practice using it. This is especially effective in STEM, business, law, and health sciences. Students who practice under realistic conditions perform better under pressure because their brains recognize the situation. Another overlooked strategy is teaching the material back to AI. Explaining concepts forces clarity. Some students now use AI as a student and teach it a concept step by step. When explanations break down, gaps become obvious. This method strengthens understanding and reveals confusion early, when it's easier to fix. Teaching is one of the strongest learning techniques available, and AI makes it accessible anytime. The eighth strategy is study session optimization. AI can help students plan when and how to study based on cognitive load, deadlines, and personal energy levels. Instead of marathon sessions, students use shorter, focused blocks optimized for attention. Over time, this prevents burnout and improves consistency. Students who study regularly in smaller sessions retain more than those who study intensely but infrequently. Equally important is knowing what not to do. Using AI to generate answers instead of studying undermines learning and leads to fragile knowledge. Ethical AI use supports effort, it doesn't replace it. Students who rely on AI outputs without understanding perform worse in exams and struggle to explain their thinking. The goal is always comprehension, not completion. One reason these strategies work so well is that they align with how memory actually functions. Learning is not linear. It's cumulative, contextual, and reinforced over time. AI helps manage this complexity so students can focus on thinking rather than logistics. Students who adopt even 2 or 3 of these strategies often report noticeable changes within weeks. Studying feels less chaotic. Exams feel more predictable. Confidence improves because understanding is deeper and more stable. Instead of reacting to deadlines, students begin preparing ahead of them. This creates a sense of control that reduces anxiety and improves consistency across courses. Over time, learning shifts from survival mode to a sustainable routine. The key takeaway is this: AI doesn't make learning easier. It makes learning more efficient. And in a system where efficiency determines sustainability, that difference matters. So that's all for today's video. If this video helped you rethink how you study, like it and share it with someone who's stuck in the cram and forget cycle. Here's a simple challenge. For your next exam, replace rereading with AI-supported practice questions for one topic and compare the results. And subscribe, because in the next video, we'll cover the AI skills students must learn before graduating, or risk being left behind.